Every day, the city is full of hustle and bustle. From early morning until late at night, the streets are alive with movement and sound. People walk quickly to school or the office, holding their bags, checking their phones, and rushing to reach their destinations on time. Buses and cars move through the streets, stopping and starting at traffic lights, while motorbikes weave through the busy roads. Shops open early in the morning, lifting their shutters and preparing for a long day ahead. As the day begins, the city slowly wakes up. Street vendors set up their stalls, selling tea, snacks, fruits, and newspapers. The smell of fresh food mixes with the cool morning air. You can hear birds chirping above the noise of traffic, creating a small moment of calm before the city becomes even busier. Office workers line up at coffee shops, students gather near schools, and public transport fills with passengers. Throughout the day, the city never seems to rest. You can hear many different sounds everywhere you go: people talking, cars honking, doors opening and closing, footsteps on the pavement, and announcements from buses and trains. Tall buildings stand on both sides of the streets, watching over the constant flow of life below. The streets are always busy and crowded, filled with people from different backgrounds, cultures, and stories. In the afternoon, the pace of the city changes slightly, but never stops. Some people take short breaks, sitting in parks or cafes, while others continue working hard. Construction workers build new roads and buildings, showing how the city is always growing and changing. Children laugh and play after school, bringing energy and happiness to the surroundings. Sometimes, the hustle and bustle of the city can make people feel tired or stressed. The noise, traffic, and crowds can be overwhelming, especially after a long day. Many people dream of quiet moments, away from the rush. However, this busy lifestyle also has a positive side. It shows that the city is active, productive, and full of opportunities. Every person rushing by has a goal, a dream, or a responsibility. As evening arrives, the city transforms once again. Lights turn on in buildings, shops, and streets, creating a beautiful glow. Restaurants become crowded, markets become lively, and friends meet after a long day of work. Even at night, the city does not sleep. Taxis move through the roads, late-night shops remain open, and the sound of life continues. This busy environment helps people stay motivated and reminds us that many things are happening all around us. The hustle and bustle of the city represent ambition, progress, and human connection. Although city life can be exhausting at times, it is also exciting and inspiring. It teaches us to keep moving forward, just like the city itself, always active, always alive, and full of life.